Hello guys, good morning. We are about to prepare breakfast, and since I have leftover mashed potato from the potato sandwich that I've created the last time, I decided to make a potato aligot for today. So these are the ingredients: leftover mashed potato. But if you have really a mashed potato you intended to do for this dish, then that's totally fine. Unsalted butter, mozzarella cheese, milk, salt, and pepper. Also, I'm currently frying hot dogs as well because we all know that this sauce is made for dipping. But you can eat it that way. But I like me dipping meat or hot dogs from there, so I'm going to be frying 3 hot dogs as well. I'm also going to be using Italian seasoning on top of it later on for the serving. You can use fresh parsley or even spring onions if you want, but this is what I have right now, so I'll utilize this. This is a combination of herbs, oregano, and other herbs that you can get. Alright, so first thing that I'm going to do is to put the leftover mashed potato. And since it's a leftover, it's kind of dried up already, so I'm gonna put the milk immediately. And I'm just gonna give it a good mix. Again, if you have a freshly cooked mashed potatoes, that would be better. For this one, I will need the help of my fork. By the way, this is in a medium low heat, very low heat, because I'm just trying to actually get back the original texture of the potatoes. So it's like I'm redoing the mashed thing. Another thing that you can do if you want to skip this process is you can just steam the potato if it's a leftover mashed potato to make it. But since part of the process is softening the potato, I want to save time by doing it in the actual process. Alright, so it has been completely mashed. By the way, forgot to tell you guys, approximately this is like around 300 grams of potato, and I have used 3/4 cups, 3/4 cup of the milk that I have used. So the texture should be good already. Now I'm going to be adding the butter. So I'm going to be adding the butter already. I just have to melt it and combine it with our potato. So you can fold it so the heat will be equally distributed. I just need to make sure that the butter is well incorporated with the potato. And I figure out using fork helps a lot. But if you guys have whisk, then that's okay. Or any wooden spatula, or even spatula could work. I'm just gonna combine it. So you just have to mix it this way. You're gonna be really using your muscle arm for this procedure, because you want to make sure that the potato is as soft as it can possibly be. Alright, so now we can add already our salt and pepper. This is half a teaspoon for both. And have it a good mix. Almost done here. We're just going to mix the salt and pepper equally first. And finally, we're gonna be adding our mozzarella cheese already. If you guys are going to think if there's any cheese that you would like to use, that's okay. However, I strongly recommend this because this creates the pulling effect once it's done. If you use a regular cheese, you might not be able to achieve that. You might just end up having a French mashed potato, which is just, cheesy and creamy. But Aligot is made of, mozzarella because of the cooling effect that you will achieve right after cooking this. So we get to have it a good mix. And if you will see, I'm already seeing the sticky thingy, and that's what we're trying to achieve here. Alright, so this is the consistency that I would like to have. This is almost done, and take note everyone, these are all cooked in a very minimal heat. So it should not be a high heat because it's gonna burn. Okay? So we can definitely go ahead and serve this already. Okay, so we're gonna be putting already here. You wanna add a lot, so let me add a lot here. Okay, hold on. And then this is where we sprinkle our oregano leaves already. Okay, just a bit. Alright, so this should be it. Our mashed potato, aligot. Now I really want to give it a try already, so yes. Oh my god, this is heaven. Thank you so much guys for watching.